Hi guys, it's Craz-E Coupons. Welcome back to my channel, and in today's video we have a lot to talk about. We have new glitches and stock up deals. So before we get started, if you haven't already subscribed, I don't know what you're waiting on. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. It's right down below this video, and while you're at it, do your girl a huge favor. Hit that thumbs up button and leave me a smile down in the comment section below, because those are two quick, easy, and free ways that y'all can help support this channel. And then take a second to share the video. Alright guys, now first up, just a quick friendly reminder that I have already uploaded a few other DG videos that you might want to go and check out. We do have new coupons, freebies, glitches, a quick little Christmas surprise video, plus new clearance markdowns and penny list information. So if you missed out on anything, make sure that you go and check them out. Everything's going to be linked for you in the pinned comment down below. Now, I also wanted to remind everybody that today, on Tuesday, December the 26th, is the beginning of the Bath & Body Works semi-annual sale, where you can get select items up to 75% off. So make sure that you guys go and check that out as well. You can do it online or in the stores. Just make sure that you sign up for a Bath & Body Works account. They do give you like a little welcome coupon. It's like a 10 off 30 or a 10 off 40. This sale will last for several weeks, so definitely take advantage of these deals while we have them. Now let's switch back over into Dollar General and talk about these new deals and glitches. First up, we just received this new DG store coupon for spend $15, save $4 on Dr. Pepper products. Make sure that you clip this coupon to your account because it does not expire until February the 2nd. Now, it just so happens that this week at Dollar General, we have the Dr. Pepper 12 packs on sale, 3 for $15. So if you want to pick up 3, use this coupon. You're paying $11 for 3. Now, there is also a second sale going on. So if you only want to pick up 2 of the Dr. Pepper 12 packs, this coupon is glitching. It's picking up the regular full price. So after the sale and the coupon are applied, that's going to leave you paying $9 for 2 12 packs. Now, we also have the Dr. Pepper 6 packs on sale this week, 3 for $10. And like I said, this coupon is glitching. It is picking up the regular price. So you can pick up 3 after the sale and the coupon. You're paying $6 for 3 6-packs. But the deals don't stop there, because we also have the Dr. Pepper 2 liters on sale, 2 for $2.50 this week. So if you want to pick up a total of 6, like I said, this coupon is glitching. It's picking up the regular price. The sale is applying, plus the coupon. That is going to leave you paying $3.50 for 6 2 liters, which is a fantastic deal. Up next, we have another DG store coupon that is glitching, and this is on the Nabisco cookies, crackers, and candy. This is spend 9, save $2. So if you want to pick up the share size bags of the Sour Patch Kids or the Swedish Fish, these are on sale this week, 2 for $7.50. Pick up 2, it's picking up the regular price, applying the sale and the coupon, so that's going to leave you paying $5.50 for 2. Now, this next deal is not a glitch, but it is still a fantastic deal. I actually picked this one up myself on Sunday. So pick up 2 boxes of the family size Ritz crackers priced at $4.65 each. Use that spend 9, save $2 on the Nabisco cookies and crackers, and that's going to leave you paying $7.30 for 2 family-sized boxes. But we also have a DG cashback offer for $2 back when you purchase 2. So if that stacks and works for you, that's going to make your final price $5.30 for 2 boxes. And just for the record, yes, mine did stack. Yes, I have already received my DG cashback. All right, now this next one I actually shared with you all in a video last week, but the deal is still going on. We have the same exact sale. You're paying the same out of pocket. Here we have the Reese's Peanut Butter Cups on sale, buy 2, get 1 for free. We still have the save 2 when you spend 9 on Reese's DG store coupon. So pick up a total of 7, and you're going to pay $4.75 for 7 Reese's cups. Amazing deal. Now, here's another glitch that has rolled over into this week. We still have the Kit Kat snack packs on sale, 5 for $5, and we have that 2 off 9 DG store coupon. So pick up a total of 8, you're going to pay $6.75. If you want to pick up a total of 10, that is going to leave you paying $8. All right, now the next few deals that we're going to go over are just regular daily deals. They are not glitches, but they are some really, really good deals. So here we have the Lay's potato chips. These were actually showing up at $1.95 yesterday in the app. Unfortunately, Dollar General was closed, and they have fixed that since then, but we do have 2 different sales going on with the Lay's chips this week. They're on sale, 2 for $6. or if you pick up a total of 4, they're going to be $2.25 each. So the best deal per bag is going to be to go ahead and pick up 4. That's going to leave you paying $9. If you try and stack these sales together, just to show you all what the math would be, if you pick up a total of 6 bags, it's going to make 2 of them 2 for $6. You're going to pay $15 for 6 bags. And also, just a quick reminder, if you pick up any Lay's chips, make sure that you scan those receipts into Fetch Rewards because we do have bonuses right now on the Lay's potato chips. If you're not signed up, my referral code is on the screen as well as down in the description box below. Now, next up, we have the Mountain Dew and Pepsi 6-packs and the Bubbly 8-packs on sale this week, 3 for $11. We do have a 2 off 3 digital coupon, so pick up 3, use the coupon, you're paying $9 for 3. Now, on the Bubbly 8-packs, we also have a DG cashback offer, so if those stack and work together, that is going to make your final price $8 for 3 8-packs. Up next, we have the Pepsi Mountain Dew 2 liters. These are on sale this week, 2 for $3.50, which is a great deal. And then I also wanted to remind everybody about this coupon matchup right here on the Lipton 64-ounce teas. They're priced at $2.25 each. With that 3 off 2 digital coupon, you're paying $1.50 for 2. Plus, we still have those bonus points on Fetch Rewards right now, so do not forget to scan in your receipts. Now, since we have so many great deals this week on the Pepsi and Lay's products, and we still have this DG store coupon for save $3 on 2, I wanted to go ahead and put together a few quick little scenarios for you all because these are some fantastic deals. So for this first deal, pick up 4 of the Lay's chips at $9 and 3 of the Pepsi or Mountain Dew 6-packs at $11. That's going to put your subtotal at $20. Use the 3 off 2 DG store coupon plus the 2 off 3 6-pack manufacturer coupon. That's going to leave you paying $15 for 7 items. Now, I think this deal would be absolutely fantastic to do on Saturday with our 5 off $25 scenarios. We already have a subtotal of $20. Throw in a couple of Airwick warmers, use those $3 and $4 coupons, and you are ready to rock and roll. Now, this next deal is basically the same exact thing, except we are substituting in the Bubbly 8-packs instead of picking up the Pepsi or the Mountain Dew. That is going to leave you paying $15 for 7. We are using the exact same coupons, except on this deal, we do have that DG cashback offer. So if that stacks and works together, that's going to make your final price $14 for 7 items. All right, now for this next scenario, we're picking up 4 bags of the Lay's chips at $9 and 2 of the Lipton teas at $4.50. That's going to put your subtotal at $13.50. After the coupons come off, you're paying $7.50 for 6 items. Now, if you don't want to do the big sale on the Lay's chips, don't worry about it. There are tons of different ways that you guys can mix and match. You can pick up 1 bag of the Lay's chips priced at $3.75. We also have the Munchies that are priced at $3.45. So pick up a bag of chips and then throw in 2 of the Pepsi and Mountain Dew 2 liters on sale, 2 for $3.50. You're going to use that 3 off 2 DG store coupon, and that's going to leave you paying $4.25 for all 3 items. Or you can pick up 1 bag of the chips and 2 of the Lipton teas at $4.50. After both coupons are applied, you're paying $2.25 for all 3. Now, I will mention that when this DG store coupon on the Pepsi and Lay's products first came out, we had a little bit of a glitch going on. If you rang up the Lay's chips first, it was taking off an additional 50 to 75 cents depending on what you picked up. So if you go and do any of these deals this week, make sure that you ring up those chips and see if that glitch is still going on. All right, guys, so that's going to be it for me for now. I am so excited for this week at Dollar General. We already have some fantastic glitches, crazy clearance, and it is untelling what is going to pop up next. So before you go, don't forget to do all the things, subscribe, turn on your notifications, hit that thumbs up button, and leave me a smile down in the comment section below. All right, guys, thank you all so much for watching. I hope y'all have a beautiful day, and I will see you on the next one.